All right, I'm going to show you how to have your topography lines and your elevation callouts read the level above sea level and still be able to keep your project relative to first floor. So, first thing you need to do is you need to come over here in an elevation, toggle, turn on hidden elements, unhide your project base point and your survey point because we're going to be messing with these, and click on your project base point. And what you want to do is you want to set the elevation of unpin it first of all, and then set the elevation to 100 feet. And you'll see this guy takes off here and goes up to 100 feet. And do the same thing for your survey point. Unpin it, set the elevation to 100 feet, and you'll see it takes off up here. Then grab your elevations and move them up 100 feet. Now you'll see your elevations are still reading relative to first floor 0. Now you can edit this type here and set this constraint elevation base from project base point to survey point. Hit apply, and you'll see now it'll start reading above sea level. And pretty much everything's going to have this option, at least your topography lines, your callouts, and your levels are going to have this option to read the elevation-based survey point, which will give you the above sea level, or you can go to your project base point, which is relative to the first floor. So these elevations, we always keep them to first floor. And then, so come over here, and now when you do topo surface, you'll see that the elevations that you punch in are actually relative to sea level. And a lot of times in construction documents, we'll just set this at 100, so we're not dealing with any zeros on your elevation callouts. And so you see that all these guys now are going to read the level above sea level. And if we do a floor, say we put a floor in here, and now when you come in here and you put in a spot elevation, you can go up to the spot elevation, edit the type, and change where it's reading. It's going to be down here in the properties. You see it's reading your project base. You can change this guy to read the survey point, and now he's calling out the 100 feet above sea level.